Welcome to HH Beauty Garden. Hello to all you plant lovers. It's great to see you again on our HH Beauty Garden channel. If you're passionate about gardening and enjoy propagating plants yourself, then today's video is definitely for you. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to connect with talented gardeners from all around the world. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, eco-friendly method for propagating roses from cuttings. No hormones, no synthetic enhancers, just bread, rice, and honey. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare a rooting stimulant solution from natural ingredients. You'll need 1 slice of old white bread, rich in natural yeast. Crush the bread into small pieces, moisten slightly if necessary. Let me know in the comments where you are watching from. Have you tried propagating roses at home? I'd love to hear your experiences. Add the crumbled bread into a glass jar. Add 300 milliliters of warm water, about 35 to 40 degrees Celsius, 95 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, add 2 tablespoons of uncooked white rice. It's packed with starch and B vitamins, perfect for feeding beneficial microbes. And add 1 teaspoon of raw honey. It's naturally antibacterial and antifungal, helping protect the cutting from harmful microbes. Stir everything well, cover the jar, and leave in a warm place away from direct sunlight for 24 to 36 hours. Step 2. Prepare the rose cuttings. Choose a semi-rigid stem, not too young, not too woody. Cut into 15 to 20 centimeters long pieces with at least 2 to 3 leaf nodes. These leaf nodes are where new shoots will eventually emerge. So gently remove the leaves without damaging the dormant buds. Cut the base diagonally and remove the lower leaves. After a day, you should see some light bubbling. This is a sign of bacterial activity. This fermented solution creates a natural environment that stimulates cell division in the callus tissue, the foundation for root development. Strain the liquid. This is your natural rooting solution. Soak the base of the cutting in rooting hormone for 3 to 6 hours. Step 3. Plant the cutting. For this method, I use treated coconut fiber as the growing medium. You can also choose other growing mediums such as loose, well-drained potting soil, for example, rice husk, charcoal, compost. Moisten the growing medium with the natural rooting solution you prepared earlier. Fill a plastic cup with the prepared growing medium to start planting your cuttings. Stick the treated cutting into the moist soil mix. Make sure the leaf buds on the outside are left intact to allow new shoots to grow. Cover with a plastic bag or large upside-down cup to retain moisture. Don't forget to allow air circulation. Place in a shaded, warm area. Mist lightly with water every day to keep humidity high. Results. What to expect. Clear signs of success begin to appear. You will see small roots sprouting, clinging to the moist growing medium. At the same time, fresh green shoots appear at the leaf nodes, indicating that the cuttings are alive and actively growing. This confirmed that our natural rooting method was effective, promoting both healthy root and shoot formation without the need for any synthetic hormones. If roots are strong, you can transplant to a bigger pot and gradually introduce it to sunlight. Keep the soil moist but not soggy, and avoid direct midday sun for the first week after transplanting. And that's it. A fully natural way to propagate roses from cuttings right in your HH Beauty garden. No chemicals, no special tools, just a bit of patience and care. Try it out and let us know how it works for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural gardening tips. See you in the next videos.